This wave function is not really something that is about a physical wave of an electron around the nucleus. It is giving you the probabilities of measurements. So if I make a measurement on the position of the electron, then the wave function, the modulus square of the wave function, will give you the probability that an electron will be found at a particular place. And Schrödinger did not like it. Einstein didn't like this probabilistic interpretation either. Both of them, in fact it was Schrödinger who thought that the wave is literal. Einstein thought not very much about waves, instead he thought about a hidden variable instead, that there is some sort of hidden variable that resolves these issues of probabilities, and everything is really predetermined. It's just that we don't have the right theory, don't have the complete theory here. So Schrödinger joked about it by saying that you have a cat in a box that can be both dead and alive at the same time. What he says is that maybe you have a radioactive substance there and you don't know the probability that the radioactive substance will kill the cat or not. Say it is 50-50. So until you open the box, the cat is both dead and alive at the same time. So he said that it is absurd. This is how quantum mechanics works. To actually explain how the thing works using quantum mechanics as we have today, we can say that, well, the cat is a macroscopic object, so it does not follow quantum mechanics, or if it does, it follows to a sufficient degree of accuracy classical mechanics. And because it follows classical mechanics, it is not dead and alive at the same time. It is either dead or alive. Were it a small object, a little object, it still follows the quantum mechanics. So, but the effects are not significant when you have an object that big. So were the cat a microscopic object, in that case you would have it as both dead and alive at the same time. But it is not. In fact, any microscopic object does not behave like that. So he joked about it and we kind of took that seriously into explaining how quantum mechanics works. But the theory does not work that way. But truth be told, we have put microorganisms into superpositions, but not complex organisms that can actually think, not humans and not cats. So you can't really speak of it quantum mechanically.